Vern bang, recipe slanging, mukbanging it out. Not a pro or a hoe. We gonna be banging it out in this episode. Chisel and nizzle. Wigtastic, it's magic. Spilling the tea on some of them episodes. It's your boy, Vern Bang. And that's why cooking from my soul is the way I go on this multiple mukbang channel. We'll be back for more episodes. What's up? This is Vern Bang, back with another mukbang. We're doing a little something different today. How are y'all doing tonight? Hopefully y'all day's been wonderful. Yes, y'all. Had to get a little extra tonight. Anyways, so we're gonna do an Asian Mexican fusion. So I'm gonna do basically an Asian turkey mole, or turkey pineapple mole, salad, and then we're going to eat some pot stickers as well. So, anyways, we're going to be banging it out tonight with this fabulous look. And this is Vern Bang, Asian Fusion Behind the Wig Edition. Yeah, I love this wig. Ooh. Yeah. She big, y'all. Ooh, this girl's huge. Look. I gotta move over so you can see the Halloween decorations. But anyways. Yeah, I'm loving this look. Anyways. Yeah. Anyways, we get a little foot. I do like the lipstick. Loving it. And then the back of the hair. Maybe you can see it. I love it. Yep. My design. I did a video on this wig before. But I totally love it. And I'm loving the dress I'm in. It's kind of a Marilyn Monroe-esque. But anyways, we're going to get into the video. So, yeah. Oh, yeah. And before we get all into the video, don't forget to share. Like, subscribe to my channel. Give me some feedback. You want me to eat something, or you want to see a recipe? Because I do recipes. But anyways, yeah, shout me out, or hit me up in the comments. Yep, don't forget to subscribe. My goal, I got 27, and I've been almost on YouTube a year, so my goal is to get 1,000, hopefully soon. But, and so I got my my drink today. Yep, buddy. Ooh, and I got a naranjan and vodka, or maybe vodka. So we're doing this. It's like an eat and shake up tropical lime salad, 100% clean. It's green cabbage, broccoli stalks, Napa cabbage, curly kale, Italian kale, and it's got dry pineapple, dry mango, dry papaya with white sesame seed, golden flax seeds, roasted quinoa, and crunchy noodles, and a creamy coconut lime dressing. So, yeah. So a lot of times I like to eat healthy when I'm not, you know, Try to eat healthy when I can. So, pretty much, yeah. But this will be definitely a mixed mash dinner. So yeah, woo! So anyways, it comes in a kit. You get your dressing. You get your little packet of treats. And then it comes like this, and then you pull this little thing out because everything's sitting on top. And so then you got your yummy greens here, basically. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So then what we're gonna do to this is we're gonna add I got my turkey mole and my pineapple mole, and we're gonna add that to the top. And I got a little sauce on top of the turkey, so I'm gonna add all that to the top of it because we're gonna mix this up. Alrighty, I'm back now. Sorry, the video cut out. Anyway, so it's mixing the salad up. So I went and put the meat in it. Got a little more salsa. And then this whole pack comes with the dried fruit. Which looks yummy. Pineapple and papaya. Yum, yum, yum. And then you got the little Asian noodles that comes with it. And it's very good. You have to like greens because these are, dark greens. They're very, they can be bitter at times. So as long as you put a good dressing in it, it should be good. Or put extra dressing. And then pair it with something nice. It's pretty good. But it's a little healthier alternative. And then when you try to eat a little cleaner. So basically, I'm gonna mixy-loo this baby around. Yeah, and after all that commotion, I having to reset the camera, blah, blah, blah. I need another drink. So what do you think about my look tonight? A little over the top, but at least I look cute. And I guess I give you since this camera don't want to stay straight, I'll give you a nice little preview. I got kale all over me. That's not a very good preview, right? But anyways. Okay. Oh well. Gotta send her to get out dry clean. Throw this damn thing away. Like, forget. Let it be fucking cricket. Who cares, right? Can't be a perfectionist all the time, right? But yeah, I'm just mixing the salad up. So anyways, let's dig in and get a bite. Mmm. Yeah, in case you're wondering how I got these beautiful colors in this wig, you can go check out the video I did on this wig and find out. Yeah. Yeah, and I did the kind of it's called the rooted wig line. Kind of looks like it growing out of your head. Sorta. Mm. Ooh, what's up, y'all? And I'm wearing my Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick. I went fancy tonight. Not really, but anyhow. So what y'all eating with me tonight? Let me know in the comments. I've seen a lot of good people eating a lot of good stuff today. Like Views on the Road. I think she's the first ever that done the sushi tostada, and she did it on like a rice puff tostada. Super yummy recipe. I can't wait to try it. Yes, yes, yes. That's gonna be good. So watching that kind of inspired me to do like a little Asian Mexican fusion dish type thing. So I explained the kale salad with everything I had in it. And it has like a little Asian twist, and the coconut lime dressing, which I use. Added more hot sauce. Got like them, you know, from Mexico, hot sauce. And then I added, you know, we got the mole, turkey mole. And then also we got, which I couldn't cut it up too good, but we'll just buy it. big giant steak. And so I was like thinking, you know, if there's vegetarians out there, what else could you do besides jackfruit, you know? And it's like, what other... So I had a pineapple in there, so I was like, no, I'm going to throw that pineapple. I seared it on my grill pan, really good. Got it all caramelized with some onions. Of course, I did the turkey that way. I seared it real good. Got the color on it, and then I made the sauce in my crock pot. Threw it all in there and just let it sit. And just... But yeah, see, it looks like a big piece of beef. Big piece of beef. But it's not. It's pineapple with the moly sauce. Mm. Mm. Which I got this dry down lipstick, so it's like a velour lip type thing, or a liquid lip, what they call it. So yeah, but this is really good. This is, so yeah, vegetarians, get you some, or make you some vegetarian moly sauce, and you can do some pineapple. Mmm. It's so good, it's so different. Because it kind of tricks your mind. You know, it looks like meat. It kind of tastes like meat. But it's got that sweet pineapple flavor. Not super sweet, but yeah, kind of like in between sweet and savory. But really, really, really good. Something unique. Oh yeah. And I also got put this right here for a minute. And I got some I love this. This is Mukbang. It's made in Thailand. This is the bomb. It's like literally $5 for one of these bottles. It's kind of expensive, but man, is it good on these dumplings. Let me tell you, it's good on everything. But it's really good. It's almost like it's not a fishy fish sauce. That makes sense. And it's not a, and it's got like a sweet chili, but without being hot type thing. So I got some soy sauce. Anyways, I'm back, y'all. Sorry. I'm recording on my cell phone, so run out of space. But yeah, we're gonna do a, let me get my bowl back over here. But yeah, I put a little Mukbang and some soy sauce. But yeah. Mmm. And I did some fried dumplings. Get them super crispy. So yummy. Yep. And this turkey moly taco salad is really good. Yummy. It's like you get like the kale and the slaw type hearty texture mixture. I like kale, so, and I like cabbage type stuff. And then you get the salsa, tomatoes, jalapenos, onions, and then you get those little crunchy Asian noodles, and you get the little toasted quinoa, and then you definitely taste that lime and coconut, and then you get those little pieces of papaya and pineapple in between, and then mixed with the mole and the mole sauce, which I made my own mole homemade. So, well, semi-homemade, but I had a lot of ingredients to it that you wouldn't know it wasn't homemade. Let's put it that way. Which I do need to do a recipe on that. So I know Vlogtober's coming up, and I'm going to try to film on a day-to-day basis. We'll see how it goes. So love the texture. Giant piece of meat. No, I did not drop none. No, that was a lie. Oh well. I'm just using my pizza fry recipe. I dropped quite a few of those suckers. It was funny too. Yeah. Show you what it looks like. Oops. Let's try this again. Super delish. Super fresh. And super yummy. Switch that for the dumplings. Dumplings here. Soaked up in a little sauce. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, and you see my Halloween decorations? I moved some over. Ooh yeah. Ooh yeah. For sure. Mm-mm-mm. Yummers. Mm-mm-mm. Sorry, y'all. This is so good. I ain't got much to say. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. Alright, I'm getting full. So we got this one last bite. Let's see. Let's get up close. Anyways, y'all, I had a good time tonight. It's Vern Bang. Stay tuned for more. And you been Vern Bang. Alright, peace, y'all. Stay true. Catch you later. Bye.